Hey guys, I came across some really inexpensive women's socks here on Amazon. These are the Wander low cut cotton socks, and they come in two variety packs. The one I have here is the 3-color design, gray, white, and black with a little bit of character. And you also could buy a 8-pair set that costs a little bit more, and that's a very simple white and gray design. The reason I picked these up were because they were at a great value. They cost roughly $2 a pair with a coupon on Amazon, and they were these low-cut ones that I've been looking for, just a regular cotton one, somewhat athletic. They're not as expensive as real athletic socks, but they aren't 100% cotton, which means they're not just going to soak up sweat. So overall design is pretty ergonomic feeling. These are mostly cotton still, so they will shrink during the wash, but overall I do really like the design. It's really comfortable, it's nice and soft. During the arch area it is a little bit more narrow, so that helps cling to your feet much better. The top part of it is not overly tight either. It has some nice reinforcement, and you can see they are low cut, which means they're not going to show up really over the top when you put on sneakers, but they're also not those no-show socks either, so they will have a little bit of visibility at the top. What I do like about the design of these is it's pretty minimalistic. It has the three basic colors of white, gray, and black with a little bit of character. You get that stripe down the middle, and it has a little bit of a design up there at the ankle part too, with different colors for each of the three colors. So it's a really nice set of socks in my opinion. If you're looking for some pretty inexpensive semi-athletic socks that have pretty neutral colors but with a little bit of character in them, I think these are a really nice choice. Low cut, breathable, comfortable, and again, it's relatively inexpensive, which I definitely do appreciate, and they do seem like they're good quality, not like they'll wear out anytime soon either. As usual, link is in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves.